Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your story, and here you need to create a story. So like I am doing, and click on the third icon from the top right, and here you need to scroll and click on the icon, and here you can select a photo. So you can see that this is the first photo. Click on that icon again, click on that, and I'm going to select the second photo and click on that icon again, and here is, so you can select multiple pictures and share that, and you can, if you want, you can resize them also and share onto your story. So this is a process by which you can add multiple pictures to your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.